Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 KTM Duke 125, a bike that continues to redefine the entry-level naked sport bike segment. If you're looking for a lightweight, aggressive, and performance-packed motorcycle, this one is definitely worth considering. The 2025 KTM Duke 125 retains its signature sharp and edgy design, inspired by its bigger siblings like the Duke 390 and Duke 790. The aggressive styling, bold graphics, and sharp LED headlamp give it an unmistakable street fighter presence. The new model also comes with updated bodywork, giving it a more muscular and aerodynamic look. The split-seat design remains, ensuring both comfort and sportiness for the rider and pillion. Powering the 2025 Duke 125 is the reliable 124.7cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that continues to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. It produces around 15 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 11.5 Nm of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its category. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth gear transitions, and thanks to the lightweight chassis, the power-to-weight ratio makes it feel quick and responsive. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 model is its improved ride dynamics. KTM has equipped it with a lightweight steel trellis frame, which offers excellent stability and handling. The bike's low curb weight, combined with its sharp steering geometry, makes it an absolute joy to flick around corners. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or pushing it on twisty roads, the Duke 125 remains incredibly agile. Suspension duties are handled by high-quality WP Apex USD forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. These offer excellent damping and ensure a comfortable ride while maintaining the sporty character of the bike. The braking system is also top-notch, featuring a 300mm disc at the front and a 230mm disc at the rear, both equipped with bi-brake calipers. The inclusion of dual-channel ABS ensures maximum safety, especially during emergency braking situations. KTM has also focused on improving the rider's experience with an updated digital instrument cluster. The TFT display now offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation, call alerts, and music controls. The display is easy to read under all lighting conditions and provides essential information such as speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip details. Ergonomics on the Duke 125 strike a balance between sportiness and comfort. The slightly aggressive riding position ensures a connected and engaging feel while remaining comfortable for daily rides. The well-padded seat offers decent support, and the clip-on handlebars provide precise control. The foot pegs are rear set, adding to the sporty appeal without being too aggressive for long rides. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Duke 125 is quite economical, delivering around 40 to 45 kmpl under normal riding conditions. The 13.4-liter fuel tank ensures a decent range, making it suitable for both city commutes and short weekend rides. KTM has introduced new color options and fresh graphics for 2025, making the bike even more appealing to young riders. The premium fit and finish, along with high-quality components, justify its price tag. While it is one of the more expensive 125cc motorcycles, the features, performance, and brand value make it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a stylish and fun-to-ride machine. Overall, the 2025 KTM Duke 125 is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. It combines sharp looks, punchy performance, and top-tier equipment to offer a riding experience that is both exciting and practical. Whether you are upgrading from a smaller bike or stepping into the world of performance motorcycles, the Duke 125 won't disappoint. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 KTM Duke 125. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. I'll see you in the next video.